The newest Visuino version is here! This update brings many new components, hardware support, and improvements to make creating your projects faster and easier. New motor driver support has been added, making it easier to build robotics, automation, and motion control projects. Visuino now supports many new boards and modules, giving you more options for your Arduino, ESP32, and embedded projects. Build better user interfaces with expanded display and touchscreen support. You can now use many new cool displays in your projects to create beautiful visual interfaces, interactive controls, and advanced touchscreen applications. New sensor and module support expands the possibilities for your projects, allowing you to connect and control even more hardware. Visuino is now faster than ever. Automatic component routing has been significantly improved, making it quicker and easier to connect your project components. Forget searching for the right port. Simply click Detect New Port, then plug your board into USB. Visuino automatically detects the newly connected port and selects it for you. You can also choose Detect New directly from the port drop-down menu for the same quick detection. It's the perfect solution when you have multiple boards or virtual COM ports and don't want to waste time figuring out which one is the right one. Plug it in, detect it instantly, and get back to building. You can also automatically connect the terminal when a COM port is detected, making it easy to reconnect when a board is disconnected and connected again. And the Object Inspector now remembers your selections and expanded sections when switching between components. There are improvements almost everywhere in this version. Visuino is now more touch-friendly, with improved gesture support for touch devices. Windows notifications keep you informed when project is compiled or upload is completed, even in the background. Bringing your existing Arduino sketches into Visuino Pro has never been easier. Simply drop a custom code component into your project, double-click to open it, paste your Arduino sketch, then close the editor. That's it! Visuino automatically parses your code and organizes it for you. And if you double-click again, you can view the complete code whenever you need to inspect or export it. This makes Visuino Pro even more powerful, giving you full control over your Arduino projects. Another big new feature, you can now add files directly to the custom code component. They're automatically copied into the project folder and can be text or binary files, including files in subdirectories. Visuino Pro adds a powerful new feature, Subdiagrams import and export. Now you can easily save, reuse, and share parts of your projects, making larger designs easier to manage. This update also includes many improvements across Visuino: improved board support, faster SPI communication, better MicroSD handling, improved IDE performance, easier project management, better touch support, improved sensor compatibility, and many other enhancements. New processing components add more possibilities for working with your project data. Use new mathematical functions, array operations, signal processing tools, and data manipulation components to create more advanced applications. With this major update, Visuino gives makers even more tools to build, experiment, and create new projects faster and easier. Update today and discover everything new in the latest Visuino release.